the Fashion 360 event together with the Mercedes-Benz and introducing designer ILEANA. So I'm gonna show you what's happening tonight. Come on, let's check it out.
It has always been rewarding to see designers I have worked with achieve a win, and I look forward to working alongside many more established, growing and bigger wins. In order to flourish, however, it is important to build connections and create greater possibilities through working together in collaborative partnerships with individuals and businesses that align with your goals and brand ethos. I am delighted that Fashion 360 and Mercedes-Benz Brisbane has identified this mutually beneficial opportunity, hence, is one of the key reasons for tonight's celebration.
George, and I'm here with Nguyen of Fashion 360.
Hi Meredith. Thanks for interviewing me. I'll be back to know.
And thanks for inviting us in this prestigious event. So, what is Fashion 360?
Well, Fashion 360, as the name sounds, is everything that revolves around fashion in a 360 perspective. So, yeah, so what we aim to do is to support designers in their, in their journey towards their fashion business. So, looking at all perspectives that is required when you're running a business, and ensuring that they are aware of, you know, all the just everything requirements, business, and business, marketing, e-com, production, just everything that they will come across, and to also highlight the little problem areas that they will be facing, or they will likely to come across, and how to mitigate as many issues as possible. So basically, Fashion 360 is there to support and help designers like reduce the amount of mistakes that they might potentially make, and to be able to get them to go into business without kind of like losing too much on the onset, and helping them to grow from it.
Oh wow, it's really a 360 degrees of support for the new designers. Yeah. So any message to all the designers, or how they can reach you, or how they contact Fashion 360?
If you are one of those people who just can't get fashion out of your head, and are really interested in having your own brand, you need to really be genuine about it, and willing to put in the effort and time, because it's actually not all that glamorous, the other side of fashion. Yeah, so we only see mainly all the glamorous side, but if you really want to succeed in the fashion business, you've got to be willing to work hard, and I'm here to make it, to help you make it happen. So in whatever, in whatever way you need, whether, source if I can't do it.
All right. Thank you so much for your time and for the invite.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, I'm here with Heshanie, the designer of all these beautiful clothes.
ILEANA the label is the brand. Please follow us on Instagram or Facebook.
Can you tell us something about the design? Is this a summer collection?
Yeah, so most of our dresses are timeless and modern, so we try to keep it so that it fits the season. So you can keep it in your wardrobe for years. So most of the clothes are 100% linen, and it's made in Australia as well in very small quantities. So yeah, we try to bring a lot of Sri Lankan elements to like hand and bellies, silks. Yeah.
So it has a Sri Lankan element.
Yes. So Sri Lanka is very island. Yeah. So there's a lot of sun and the beach,
Summer
sand.
beach,
Yeah. So it's similar to Brisbane and Queensland.
Australia.
So we try to bring that into the brand as well. So
Wow, nice.
yeah. Thank you for coming. Thank you so much.
We love you.
Hi, I'm with the girl, the Twin Towers here. This is
Juliana.
Juliana, and this is
I am Emil, wannabe model, but she's actually the model.
she's the model.
I'm trying to be.
So how are you girls enjoying the event?
What a lovely event. It's such a fun night. Thank you so much, Thuy, for a great, fantastic event.
Thank you Fashion360 for inviting us.
Thank you.